Hello everyone, I want to make a quick video on what you're going to be doing today. It is going to be student paced, so you will work at the pace that is comfortable for you. I will share an individual Jamboard for each person via the Google Classroom link. This is what it will look like. The first thing is research an element. We're going to come back to that in a minute. I'd like to first talk about the first thing you're going to do. You will need your course book, Unit 7, and you are going to use the tools here to fill out this periodic table. And this is your periodic table on page 2. If you look at page 3, this is the template for what you are doing. So I want you to review Unit 7, especially the purple boxes, and write down information that would be helpful to understand the periodic table, such as that the atomic number equals the number of protons and neutrons, maybe something about elements are arranged in order by their mass, metals are towards the left side of the table, non-metals on the right. Anything like that would help you, you can write that down here, you can write around. Also, I would like you to highlight, it doesn't have to be these colors, but I would like you to make a key and highlight these specific areas, Group 1, Group 7, and Group 8. These are talked about very much next year, so I want to get a highlight on, or a head start on that. Then you need to color the groups for metals and non-metals. If you just want to use an outline, you can do that. So on top of these 3 groups, I want you to use the diagram on page 84 to distinguish the first 20 metals, whether they are the first 20 elements, whether they are metals or non-metals. Then you need to label groups and periods. How does that work? So that is what you're going to do over here. If you want to see a real GCSE periodic table, this is it. It has the colors and the labels. You don't have to follow it, but it's just a reference for you. And then your last thing that you're going to be doing is researching an element. So if you turn your book to page 83, you will see exercise 7.2, which says choose one element and find out some facts about them. I want you to make a board here. You can write the question, or you can just say discovered, write the answer, add pictures, add color, add whatever you need. So I would like you to use this page to create a to create a poster about one element. You can pick any of the elements on the periodic table. I would recommend staying away from like the 100s up to 116 because they are research elements and they're not very interesting. Cyanide, neodymium, ruthenium, things like that, radioactive elements are more interesting. So I would suggest picking one of those. And if you have any questions, you can let me know. So that should keep you pretty busy today.